Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how we can make a presentation in our mobile phone by using the Microsoft app. So it is quite very easy. First of all, you have to click on Office or you have to download it from the Play Store in your mobile phone. You can also directly download the presentation software from Play Store. So first of all, click on the Microsoft app. Here you have the option of Office. So click on this application. So when this application open, here is the option of plus icon. So click at the below, you can find the plus icon. So clicking on this, you have the option three option, that is notes, lens and document. So what you have to choose is that you have to choose on documents. After choosing the document, you also have three options, that is Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So if you want to make a presentation, you have three options, that is choose picture, blank presentation and create from template. So for making your presentation attractive, I will advise you to choose from the create from template. So by choosing this, now you have a lot of themes you can choose as per your want. So for example, if I am choosing the gallery option, gallery theme, so now in this way my presentation look. So if you want to add title in your presentation, the first step of your presentation is to add title. So for adding title, you have to double tap on where it reflects that the double tap to add title, you have to double tap there. So for example, if I am double tapping here, I can insert my title. So I am going to give my title of this presentation is ownership. So now what you have to do is, if you want to add subtitle, for example, if I am adding by Ayush Karn, by Ayush Karn. So this is my first slide. No, this is my first slide. So now what you can do here is that you can, if you desire to make bold of your text, you can select it from the below where there is option of B. By tapping on this, the whole text will become bold. If you want to make italic on your text, you can click on I. For underline, you can click on U. For example, if I am inserting underline, I am clicking on U. So here you can see that my text is underlined. And if you want to change the color of your font, you have to click on this A and under the color. So here you can find a lots of color. For example, if I am choosing this red color, so by choosing on this, the font of my color is, the color of my font is changed. So now as in your computer, you can add the dot option, you can also add the 1 to 3 option. Now what you have to do is that in the below you can find that there is a, if there is the plus icon. No, for making the another slide, for adding the slide in your presentation, you have to click on this plus sign. So I am tapping here it plus sign. So after tapping on this plus sign, my new slide is the second slide is created. No, the first slide is this ownership and the second slide is this. So here I am going to write something. For example, I have already copied one text. I'm going to paste here. Allah. In this way you can paste. Now what you have to do is that if I want to change the text, or I am inserting something in my presentation, for example, in the here you can look at the most means at the left, at the right side of the mobile phone, you can see that there is upside arrow. So by clicking on this, you can find this lot of option. So this was already there, BIU 20. This is the size of my text. For example, if I am changing the size of my text at 24, in this way I can see For example, for clearing for changing the font color, I will tap on the font color. Now for next step is that if you want to insert something, you have to click on the home arrow. No, click on home, you will find a lots of things. There is the option of insert, draw, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, shape. So what you could do with these icons, with these terms? So first of all, I am creating another slide. After tapping on this, I am going to click on insert. After inserting, here I can insert new slide, new table, picture, video, audio, shape, textbook. So for example, if I am inserting, I am desired to insert a picture, for example from photos. I am going to insert this picture. No, in this type of font will appear. Now you have to click on this turn. After tapping on this term, now what I will do is that I will increase the size of this picture. So in this way, my presentation, you can also insert lots of thing in this. You can alter or design such type of thing of this image. Now what you have to do is that after inserting this picture, you can insert also shape, a lot of thing that you want. No, now the third step is that in the draw option, you can draw with mouse, laser, eraser. This thing you can draw with your hand. Now in the design, what you can do with the design is that if you want to change the theme of your, if you want to change the theme of your presentation, that is I have chosen the this gallery option. You can choose here from here also you can choose the Atlas, Madison, gallery, wood type, parcel, this theme. So for more attractive, for making your presentation more attractive, you have to click on this format background. So what it will work is that it will format, it will change your background. For example, the background of my presentation is white. No, so or stony white. So if I want to choose the red, it will make the background of my presentation like this way. No, for example, for this picture, for this slide, I am going to change the design. For example, in this way, it will work like this. So what this design option do, I hope you all understand. Now the fourth step is that the transition. So what transition effect is that transition effect will make your presentation most effective. So most important thing you have to understand is that this transition effect. So for example, I am coming back with the first slide. So first thing is that the transition effect, I have clicked on the transition effect. Here you can find a lots of thing. No, so what this work is that for normal type of thing you can select from there. So I am making my presentation more attractive. For this I am clicking on this exciting, from choosing from this exciting option, that is I am first selecting this cotton option. So what it has been selected. Now how can I find that what I have chosen, what its effect come? So first of all, you have to play the slide. So how can you play the slide is that at the top of the mobile phone you can see that there is a cop like or play like a button. So by clicking on this button, you will see how the presentation is created. So in this way your presentation is created. No, this is my presentation. No, now the next thing is that you have to know that about the animation effect. So what is animation effect is that the animation effect make your text flow. So how can you flow your text? First of all, you have to tap on your text in this way. Now I am going to flow my text. So I will click on this animation effect. Now in the animation effect there is three options, that is entrance effect, emphasis effect, and exit effect. For example, how your text enter into this presentation or this slide, it reflect about that. Emphasis effect, it means how your text remain in the presentation or slide, it show that. And exit effect shows how can your text exit from this slide. So for example, after tapping on this entrance effect, I will find a lot of option. For example, I am clicking on this spinner effect. No, by tapping on this spinner effect, certain changes added. For example, uh, spinner effect. Now you can see that there is one for the first changes in my text. In the second time I am changing my subtitle, for example flip. I have chosen this. So what changes has been appeared, you have to play on this slide. You can see your my slide has been running. By tapping at the left side, by tapping at the right side or corner side, you can find these changes. Next thing will appear. Like in the computer system, you have to tap the keyboard or mouse in this way. Now the ownership, and now next after tapping this like this way, my text will appear. No, this is the entrance effect. That is again I am doing that. Here after tapping this corner in this, like a term appear, and by tapping again this, in this way the text will flow. So after tapping on this, my slide so came into next slide. So hope you all understand about this animation effect. Slideshow is also same. How can you play your slideshow? For example, from beginning, if you want to play your slide from beginning or from current slide, for example this is my current slide, and from beginning you can also play. It's just for playing the slide. So you can also hide your slide it as per your desire. In review section, you can take some markup. Some markup you can add. View is the section where you can find the zoom in zoom out option. No, the main thing you have to understand is the transition and animation effect. So for transition effect, click on this transition effect will make your presentation very much attractive. It depend upon what type of transition you have chosen. For example, for this glitter, it will make more attractive. So in this way you can see what type of effect has appeared, like this way. No, it makes my presentation very much attractive. So in this way you can create your slide. So you can edit your text. You can make a very nice full presentation. You can also play from this red sign. By tapping on that red sign, my presentation starts in this way. By tapping on this and like this, just click a single time on the right side of your screen. So at the black side you can make a presentation attractive. So this way you can make. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.